Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a CatchON TV player to your Firestick or Android TV. That's an IPTV player that a lot of users have some trouble while trying to set it up or to download to their devices. So today I'll show you the easiest way to do so. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just click on that magnifying glass over here and then click on the search bar. There in the search, start typing Downloader. And then as you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Let's do it. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. Now, as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only the apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Malta right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open Downloader, there it is, open it, wait until it actually loads for us. Then on the left side menu, you have to click on Home, not on Browser, on Home. That's really important. Then in the search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907 and then we have to click on Go. Now in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open up for us. And while it loads, make sure to subscribe my channel for more content on Fire Sticks and of course hit the like button below the video to help us develop our channel even more. Then when the website loads, you just have to scroll down a bit until we see that list of categories, and from the list we have to click on IPTV players, so there it is, click on IPTV players, then a list of apps is going to pop up and from the list just click on CatchON TV, there it is, we click on it and then some kind of ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, do not click on open here because that would mess everything up for you. Instead click on close or on X, depending on what kind of ad you see. In our case, we have to click on X to close down the ad. Now a new web page should open up. Yep, there it is. We also have to scroll it down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. That's exactly the button that we have to use. But if for some reason it doesn't work for you and the download doesn't start, you can always click on the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So for now, just click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. As you can see, in my case it happened really fast, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until CatchON TV gets installed to your device. After that, it's really important, do not click on open yet. Instead, click on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we are saving you some free space on your Firestick. And that's really important because we do not really have too much of free space on our Fire TV devices. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Then scroll down, and there you'll find CatchON TV application, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way CatchON TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of service totally for free. Hope the guide was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.